Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a ROCON-TRIP full-face snorkel mask. Picked this up for $28.99 the other day. The reason why we got this one is because we've got a bunch of action cams now, and so this one has this little action cam adapter that goes on here and you can put your action cam to. And so we wanted to do some snorkeling and figured, what the hell, let's try the full-face one, see how it works. So as you can see, it comes disassembled and some instructions on how to assemble it, but it doesn't appear as though we really need those. Slip that on. Oops. And whoops. Alright, so that is fully assembled right there. It does slide off kind of easy, so I have a feeling that this may need to be slid up a little bit higher. This part is kind of difficult to get on there. Whoops. Yeah, we'll try it that direction. Alright, there we go. So make sure you clip it on a little bit tighter that way, and then you'll be fine. Slide that down, boom, you're good to go. Alright, so you can hear the little rattle. That's a little ball. That's supposed to keep water from getting back in whenever you go underwater. It's a little floater. If you guys have ever used a snorkel mask with one of those, you understand. We've got the back here is adjustable from the bottom. It doesn't appear as though you adjust it from the top, only from the bottom. And then you've got the full rubber seal for the face mask right here. Now I picked up a size large, extra large, even though after doing the measurements, which you're supposed to measure from the bridge of your nose to your chin, I came in as a, what's the size under? Medium? Yeah, small medium. And I just didn't buy that because I've got a pretty big head, so I figured it would need to be the large, extra large, so that's what I went ahead and got. Obviously I'm not going to be able to test this out, tell you how waterproof and how awesome it is until I get in some water, and the water is a bit cold at the moment, but there are some springs nearby that I'm hoping to hit up soon, and so I'll be able to test this out there. I'm definitely going to be shooting some GoPro footage and stuff, some action cam footage whenever I'm there, so hopefully I'll be able to post some follow-up videos, but for now this is just the unboxing so you guys can see really all that it entails. There's not a lot to it. Oh hey, look at that, it even comes with some adapters for your action cam right here, or an adapter. You've also got a gasket. I'm assuming it's probably a spare gasket for down here, and then there's a couple earplugs, so you can even use some earplugs if you want. Earplugs or maybe nose plugs, I don't know. I don't use those anyways, so I'm not going to be too worried about it. Any questions, comments though, make sure to get back to me. I'll let you know as soon as I can how well this thing worked out. And well, I guess initially let me just stick it on my head. Y'all can't see this. Alright, I'm definitely glad I went with the large, extra large, because look at that, you get a little bit of condensation in there from breathing. But it does keep it separated from your eyes, so it shouldn't fog up your eyes because there's another gasket inside that goes over your face. Anyways, like I said, I am glad that I picked up the large, extra large. I have a feeling that that's going to be a more appropriate size for me than the small medium. So if you are right in the middle of the measurements, go bigger. That's going to be my, my suggestion there. Alright, any questions, comments, get back to me, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.